a necessity for me and my home. I'm going to be doing a live unboxing and honest review of the Swihauk self-cleaning slicker brush for pets. Easy dematting and de-shedding tool, safe design for sensitive skin, press button for easy cleaning, non-slip handle for a comfortable grip for us pet parents, premium materials for long-term use, and on the back, it actually shows you the 4 steps of exactly how to use it. So you're going to extend the bristles using the button. You're going to brush the cat or the dog. You're going to press again to get the bristles out, and you can easily swipe off the hair after that. As you can see, it is just one product in this box. And it's a really, really nice design. I would say it's maybe like 6 inches tall and like 2 inches wide. And as you can see here, here's that button they talked about. So you push the button and it clicks, and you can see the bristles are here. And then you push the button again, it clicks, and the bristles are gone. So then you have the ability to pull off the hair. It is basically a combination of silicone here and plastic here. So this is a really, really good, really durable product. All right, so I'm going to try this on both my dog and my cat and see if it works. Melina. She's not happy with me. All right, you'll just stay where you are then. All right, let's try this out. Let's see how it works. Oh, she seems to like it. She's going on her belly. Okay, there you go. Okay, good girl. She likes it. All right, it's going really easy. It's very gentle for her. She's literally laying on her belly, and she seems to be liking it a lot. And it looks like if I do this, I am able to very, very easily take off the hair. All right, let's try it on the husky now. Sit. Or lay down. That's fine too. Good girl. All right, let's try this out on you. Ready? Oh my God, your hair is a lot thicker. Okay, it is going through. It's taking a little bit more time simply because her hair is a lot thicker than my cat's. But I'm going through. It's not hurting her or anything. But it's working really easily. Yes, it is. I know. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Look what you did. Look what you did. All right, so needless to say, this was a necessity for me and my home. And I am able to really simply just take it out of here and go throw this in the trash now. So it works for a pet parent. It works for pets. It might work for you too.